Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we have this exponential equation and we going to solve this. Well, first of all, we have square root of x, square root of x, and square root of x, so we're gonna have x greater than or equals 0. So, and you see we have 81 here, so 81 is 3 to the power 4, and we have 3 here, 3, 1 over 3, and well, actually the same base, right? So square root of 3 is 3 to the power 1 over 2 times 3 to the power x over 1 plus square root of x plus 1 over 3 is 3 to the negative 1, which is 3 to the power minus this power plus 2 plus square root of x plus x over 2 1 plus square root of x, and this is going to be 3 to the power 4, right? So now, well, these bases are the same, so we keep the base and we add the powers, right? So exponents, so we have 1 over 2 plus x over 1 plus square root of x minus 2 plus square root of x plus x to 1 plus square root of x, and this is going to be 3 to the power 4. So bases are the same, we consider exponent as being the same, so we're gonna keep this 1 over 2 plus x plus 1 over 1 plus square root of x minus 2 plus square root of x plus x over 2 1 plus square root of x, and this is going to be, this would be equal 4, right? This would be equal 4, so I bring the 4 to this side and this is going to be 0, right? Well, now we have to find the common denominator, right? You see this product here, this is 2 times 1 plus square root of x, so well, this is the common denominator because if you multiply this you're going to have this, so this is this times this and 2 times x, right? And well, but let's do it. It's 1 plus square root of x in here, this is, I'm going to multiply by 2, and this is I'm going to multiply by 1, and this I'm going to multiply by 2 1 plus square root of x, right? So now I have here this times 1 is this, 2 plus x, 2 times x is 2x minus 2, 1 times this is this, right? So this is, it's going to be minus 2 minus square root of x minus minus x, okay? And I'm gonna have here minus, so what would have here? So would have minus 4 times 2 1 plus square root of x, so this would be minus 8 1 plus square root of x, so this is will be minus 8 minus 8 square root of x, right? So replacing here we're gonna have minus 8 square root of x, and this would be equal to 0. Well, it is equal to 0, not would be, okay? So now you see this term and this term, they are the same and with opposite signs, so it's 0, and 1 minus 2 is minus 1, minus 1 minus 8, it's minus 9, so negative 9. 2x minus x, this is x, right? And I keep this minus 8 square root of x and minus 9, this is going to be 0. So now you have 3 options to solve this equation, right? First of all, you can make a substitution in which you will do this. Square root of x, you consider square root of x equals to x0, then x would be equal to x0 squared. You can put here a or b, whatever variable that you want, or you can bring this x and this 9 to the right side of the equation and then square both sides. You're gonna have an equation that you're gonna solve and you're gonna find the same values. But what I'm gonna do is this. Let's do the most simple way. So this is going to be, this is x. So I'm gonna put here x square root of x squared. This is x, right? Minus 8 square root of x minus 9 equals 0. So I can factor this, right? How do I can factor this? Well, it is square root of x squared. This is a plus square root of x minus 9 square root of x minus 9 equals 0. This 2 gives you minus 8 square root of x. Now you factorize this 2 and this 2. So here the common term is square root of x, square root of x. You left 1 here, minus factorize 9 square root of x minus 1 plus 1, sorry, and this is equal 0. So now you have this term is the new common term, right? So you have square root of x plus 1, okay? This will multiply square root of x minus 9 equals 0. So you have square root of x plus 1 equals 0, and you have square root of x minus 9 equals 0. Okay? So now you have square root of x equals minus 1. And remember what we did? X is greater than or equal 0. And this is a negative number. It means we got no solution in here. Okay? So here in our case 2, we have square root of x minus 9 equals 0. So square root of x is going to be 9. It means squaring both sides, we got x equals 9 squared is 81. So I got 81 as the response to our problem. So our answer is 81. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel and see you next video.